आप और आपके चमचे बैठ के बात करिए। करिए आप और आपके चमचे। You don't need to have a BJP spokesperson.
How dare you use the word
I will use that. I will use
the chamcha.
How dare you don't allow me to speak? How you're chamcha of the Congress party? You are a chamcha of the Congress party, and Congress party spokesperson is your chamcha. You don't allow us.
How dare you say that?
Is this your behavior?
How dare you say?
How dare you?
How can you say
conduct
chamcha?
yourself?
You're using television studios, Vikas Singh, to put pressure on the judge, who tomorrow will give a verdict. But for the last several weeks, CBI for SSR. In fact, Riya herself has asked for CBI, but the manner in which this case is being done is as if Riya is already guilty. For you and your clients, it appears that Riya is already guilty. Is that the way a trial should run in studios and in this surround sound, Vikas Singh ji?
Well, Rajdeep, if that is your complaint, then I should then not talk to you, because it's not. I'm not asking you to talk to me. It's you who are wanting to talk to me. So if you don't want to talk to me, I have no issue with that. I'm not.
No, my argument is the manner in which this case has played out. As a senior counsel, how do you respond to those?
It's people like you who are forcing us to.
Sure. How do you respond to those who say it's a media trial?
I am not interested. Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, please let me answer your question.
Please, sir.
I am not interested in a media trial. I am not going to any media that you take me on your channel. It is people like you who are after me to join your channel. If you don't want to hear me, I am not interested in talking to you. So sorry, you can just switch me off. I am not interested.
No, so let's talk then. Let's talk, Mr.
I'm
Vikas
not
Singh.
interested in a media trial.
No, yeah, let's talk, Mr. Vikas Singh.
You have some questions to ask me.
Yeah, I have a question. I have a specific question.
I am going a media trial.
I have a specific question, sir.
You can ask your questions to whoever is interested.
No, I have a specific question to you. Has there been a media trial in your view? Okay, there you have Vikas Singh who says that.
या टारगेटिंग होती है, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं?
मैं राजदीप सरदेसाई को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि वो पिछले 10 साल से इस मुद्दे के भरोसे जी रहे हैं। इसी मुद्दे के भरोसे सुनना पड़ेगा भाई जी, बिल्कुल। इसी मुद्दे के भरोसे उनकी रोजी रोटी चलती है जी। और मैंने सुना था कि मोदी को गाली देने वालों को राज्यसभा की सीट मिलती है, मोदी को गाली देने वालों को पद्मश्री मिलता है, पद्म भूषण मिलता है। तो मेरी राजदीप सरदेसाई को शुभकामना है कि आप अपना ये अभियान जारी रखिए और आप भी ऐसे मित्रों की मदद से राज्यसभा में पहुंच जाइए। आप भी ऐसे मित्रों की मदद से पद्मश्री पद्म भूषण कुछ प्राप्त कीजिए। मेरी आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं।
You are Rajdeep, you are very selective in your targeting issues. You have problems with the government, you have problems with Modi. I can see that, I can feel that. We are on Twitter for a long time. I've heard you at a number of places. So you are biased about certain things. I can see that.
No, hold on. Let's start.
Just
Mr.
because,
Kher, let's start.
You asked me a question, let me answer.
Okay,
you
answer
asked me a question, so let me answer that. And once I finish answering that, you said it's a debate, it's not an interview.
Okay, go
That's
ahead.
what you sent me a message, and that's what you wrote on Twitter.
Yes.
So let's have a debate rather than you asking me a question and putting me on a defensive foot by introducing me in such a manner.
2009 के चुनाव आपके कई कैंडिडेट थे जिनको 1 लाख से ज्यादा वोट्स मिले, जिसकी वजह से शिवसेना को हार भुगतनी पड़ी।
पहली बात राजदीप, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है। पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
चलिए।
Number one, what is this Raja business? I mean, your spokesperson from Congress party was saying that even you are complicit in it, and the Raja has asked you to do all this. My question to you, Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, is when did you get a call from Raja to conduct an interview of Riya Chakravarti? Did Mr. Modi or anyone from Bharatiya Janata Party call you to conduct an interview with Riya Chakravarti? I'll tell you why you did that. You did that because you had an agenda, and I'll tell you what your agenda is, Mr. Sardesai, because I know, I will not be naming a particular anchor, a particular reporter, but I will tell because I know what a particular reporter did on 13th, the Friday 2001. Remember how the TV plays. Since you are blaming the media, let me tell you how the TV plays. There was an anchor, there was a reporter, a ace reporter, who once in an interview said, we were planning to have a gala party with kebabs and wines on the lawns, spread lawns of the Parliament of India. And
you know, you are now
that terrorist attack. And then that ace reporter, whom I respect a lot, said that, well, yes, suddenly the terrorists had entered into the Parliament building. I asked the guard to close the door lest other journalists do not enter and start shooting it, because I want the TRP of my channel to be soaring. So that anchor today cannot complain about TRP. Then he said, goes ahead, I won't name the ace reporter. He says, we are vultures. At the end of the day, we are vultures vying for blood and flesh because that is what gives us our professional satisfaction. It was a great day.
How is this
great
linked to
day
the
for me
question I
because
asked
people
you?
were dying.
Do you believe that we have become a more intolerant society?
You know, Rajdeep, I don't know how journalists address this issue, but really, I'm not qualified to answer this question at all. I'm the least educated person as far as these issues are concerned.
You're being diplomatic. You don't want
I
to
have
fall
no
into a
answer.
trap.
No. So, okay, so you're admitting that this is some kind of a trap.
फ्राइडे नाइट को ही लाउड स्पीकर बहुत हाई कर दिया, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई कर दिया और मॉर्निंग में भीड़ इकट्ठा हुई उधर से, भीड़ इकट्ठा हुई और उन्होंने लड़कों के हाथों में तलवारें थी, डंडे थे। सर पेट्रोल पंप से 1 घंटे तक वो लोग वहाँ पे हल्ला करते रहे, बहुत तेज एक शोर मचाते रहे, यहाँ पे हम लोग सारा टेंस माहौल बन गया। पब्लिक ज्यादातर यहाँ पे सब जॉब वाली।
तो इसमें लोकल इन्वॉल्व थे या बाहर से लोग आए थे?
बाहर से भी थे, उधर से लोकल भी थे और फिर एकदम से 1 घंटे तक इनका
कोई लीडर था, कोई ऐसा कोई नहीं। बट डू यू थिंक दैट जो कपिल मिश्रा ने कहा वो गलत था, उससे और माहौल बिगड़ गया कि नहीं?
सर ये ऐसा नहीं है, हम
नहीं?
बहुत परेशान है, हम लोग लोकल
हाँ?
माहौल नहीं बिगड़ा है, उसकी वजह से नहीं बिगड़ा,
उसकी वजह से नहीं बिगड़ा।
रास्ता खोलो, रास्ता खोलने के जगह जगह जाम लगे हुए हैं, जाम की समस्या हल करनी चाहिए।
तो आप नहीं समझते कि कपिल मिश्रा के बयान से स्थिति और
नहीं हम कुछ नहीं उन्होंने ऐसे गलत नहीं कहा।
नमस्कार, हमारे साथ देश के सबसे पावरफुल व्यक्ति है, नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं है हमारे साथ है मुकेश अंबानी जी। जब मैंने कहा कि सबसे पावरफुल या ताकतवर व्यक्ति हमारे साथ है, किस तरह से आप देखते हैं, आप मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मानता हूँ, मैं आपको सीरियसली लेता नहीं।
अरे ये क्या बात है? What is your experience? Which was easier to manage?
Let me complete. You don't have this habit. I am sorry to tell you and remind you. You are interviewing the former president. Please have the necessary courtesy.
Yes.
Don't interrupt. I am sorry to tell
absolutely.
you. I am not eager to appear on the screen.
Sir.
You have invited me. Firstly, you cannot raise your voice.
My apologies.
I am answering to the question.
You are an asshole too.
Let me ask you, amidst all the celebrity hood, when is Sania going to settle down? Is it going to be in Dubai? Is it going to be in any other country? What about motherhood? Building a family? I don't see that in the book. It seems that you don't want to retire just yet, to settle down.
You don't think I'm settled?
Well, you don't seem to talk as yet of retirement. You don't talk in the book about raising a family, motherhood. What's life beyond tennis going to be?
You sound disappointed that I'm actually not choosing motherhood over being #1 in the world at this point of time. But